Vowels, हरूफ-ए-इल्लत. Dear children, प्यारे बच्चों, now we learn about the kind of alphabet vowels. अब हम हरूफ की एक किस्म हरूफ-ए-इल्लत सीखते हैं. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. A, E, I, O, U हरूफ-ए-इल्लत हैं. A for ant. A for ant. A for ant. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. A for arrow. A for arrow. A for arrow. A for X. A for X. A for X. E for egg. E for egg. E for egg. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elbow. E for elbow. E for engine. E for engine. E for engine. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. I for insect. I for insect. I for insect. I for iron. I for iron. I for iron. I for inch. I for inch. I for inch. O for orange. O for orange. O for orange. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. O for ox. O for ox. O for ox. O for owl. O for owl. O for owl. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for uniform. U for uniform. U for uniform. U for urn. U for urn. U for urn. U for umpire. U for umpire. U for umpire.